This is the eOCI card, which we all were waiting for. Government had recently introduced and said that instead of the physical OCI card, it will be now eOCI card. If you already have a physical OCI card, you can download your eOCI card. In case you are applying new, chances are that you might only get eOCI download, which once you download on your mobile, you carry that digital copy and show it when you are in India at the immigration, and that is as good as the physical OCI card. In case you have physical OCI card, you can carry the physical OCI card, eOCI card both, or just eOCI card. Everything is good. It's quite simple to download. I'll show you how you can do that in quick, easy, simple steps. So once you log into your online OCI service portal and in the dashboard, you have this additional tab, eOCI card. Earlier, completed application, partial filled application was only showing up. Now this eOCI card has been introduced, and here you will only be able to see the details once you have submitted your application, it has been processed and it is successful. If it has not been completed, then this tab will not show the detail. So I had applied a few years back, and because I had applied and I have a OCI card, now when I click here on the eOCI card, you can see here it shows the application detail and the passport number attached. Action, click here to eOCI card request. If you have used a single credential to submit all the application for every single family member, you'll be able to see the detail here in the dashboard. And once you click here on eOCI card request, eOCI card request generated. Same thing I'm doing here. Click here to eOCI card request. eOCI card request generated. You can see here I'm shown download eOCI card, and in another case it says eOCI card request generated. So you can just wait for some time, and after which once you refresh or come again to login, you will see this download eOCI card. Once you click here, download started. This is my eOCI card. You can carry this. Your OCI booklet is also valid, and you can carry this eOCI card when you travel to India. This has been generated with a QR code and a barcode, and all I will have to do is to carry this and show it at the immigration, and everything should be taken care. To verify eOCI card, please scan the given QR code. You can scan it with your mobile and check it. The last step is to scan the QR code. You can see here I'm scanning this. Once you do that, on right hand side there's a small QR code icon, and when I press the QR code icon, you see this entire detail opens up, and of course I have hidden everything else. All you can see is lifelong validity. So this is working fine. This is how you can check that it's all good. As I said before, the OCI card, physical OCI card that you have is still valid, and if you're carrying that, you can still carry that if you want. Or if you're just carrying eOCI card, this downloadable version, it's absolutely fine. You can just show the eOCI card on your mobile and it should be good. It is as good as your physical OCI card. In case you have applied recently, chances are that you will only get the eOCI card and not the physical card. So this is the entire scenario. Hopefully this was of help to you. Make sure to comment, and thank you.